everyone, my name is Ashutosh Sahu. I study in 5th B of HCON International School. Today I am going to show you an experiment on first class levers and how changing the place of the fulcrum can affect the amount of force that is needed to lift or move the object. First I will explain about levers, then I will start with this experiment. A lever is a simple machine that consists of a fulcrum and a beam. The beam is free to rotate on the fulcrum. A lever is used to lift or move heavy objects. There are three main parts of a lever. They are load, fulcrum and effort. Load is the object on which the work is to be done. Fulcrum is the fixed point at which the lever moves. Effort is the force that is applied to lift or move the object. Now I am going to start with the experiment. The things that we need are a heavy object that is a microwave, a fulcrum that is a water bottle, a beam and a spring balance. The procedure for this experiment is step 1. Take the beam and mark 2 points near the two ends of the beam. As you can see, I have already marked them. Step 2. Take the load and place it on the beam. Step 3. Take the fulcrum and place it under the point which is far from the load. Now, measure the effort that we will give using the spring balance. As you can see, we have applied 6.04 kilograms of effort on it. Still the load or the microwave is not moving. Step 4. Take the fulcrum and place it under the point which is near the load. Now take the spring balance and again measure the effort that we give on the lever. As you can see, we have applied 4.70 kilograms of effort and the object moved. Observation. When we tried to move the object while keeping the fulcrum at the point which was far from the load, we were not able to lift it even after applying so much of force to it. When we tried to lift the load while keeping the fulcrum near the place which was near the load, we were successful to lift the load. This happened even after applying a very small amount of force. Conclusion: we can lift very heavy objects if we keep the fulcrum near the object. Thank you.